Installing Dude Rides Again.
This video is just going to be a lighting project and a bit of a boot revamp with some perspex and stuff. If this sort of thing interests you, just sit back and I won't be talking too much longer. And yeah, just deconstructing some, I guess they call it sequential RGB or something like that. And it just has a data wire and a power wire and a ground wire. Anyway, two of these units link up and I get them all deconstructed and put them where I want them. Enjoy. See, this is the master unit with the controls, power input, signal output. This one has signal input in the first, and then has a blocked output. I can't really hide it in front because I need to move this board from time to time, and I'm maybe going to put a window here because you all know what's under there. Welding mode. Welding. Doo-doo-doo. So this is the back of the panel where roughly the computer's here, the amp is there. This is the two panels. I had this panel already made with a carpet lip, and I just glued that carpet lip to this back panel. And I put these isopole sticks to support this lead, and this is just glued. Plenty of glue behind the strip, and we put a bit of wood to make it set straight, and I used 2 screws on this panel so that those screws go into this perspex, and to stop this loop from hanging down into view, it's got a little cable tidy here, and that just runs away. This back perspex panel has a LED wrapped in this carpet. There's another lead here, and 2 leads will go back, and that will be pretty cool. Well, this is the piece of board I'm going to change today. I'm going to change it into a piece of perspex. I've already bought a said piece of perspex. I just need to cut it, and I just need to get this out. It's a quick squeeze. Okay. This piece here of this is about 8 or 9 mil ply and carpet, and I'm going to put in a 5 mil piece of perspex, and then I'm going to carpet the bits I don't want it to be seen. So leave this bit seen and make the carpet run back here. So I guess maybe the connectors are worth seeing. Not really sure. We'll have a few goes with cardboard on the perspex. And this fan will probably go, and then this light bar will go instead of the fan. And then I can still control it via Wi-Fi. So that's the brand of perspex. You never know what you're going to get. It's got a plastic film on it, and you never know whether the scratches on the plastic are part of the. See that? You never know whether that's going to go through. So you just got to have a bit of blind luck in buying perspex. Anyway, this is about 3 times bigger than I need it. So let's just say twice as big. So I've got 2 chances at a unscratched piece. I'm just going to cut it on the first line and see how we go. Five mil perspex cut using the what I had as a template, a milk shorty, you know. Just didn't have to follow that. Alright, so I've got it on the ledge. Will it drop? Is it a milk too big? I've got it in. That is in. I haven't taken the fuzzy plastic off yet. Fan going. Yeah, so I just took out this fan. I've got to film it, but, you know, unscrewed it, unplugged it. So I had a moment because I put this circuit board vertically and I couldn't. Now I can't mount it below this piece of wood because it's touching. Yeah, so I'm going to have to settle for on the wood. That'll do, all that effing around. Just one screw, be done with it. Be good. We're going to stick the perspex on in a second. And we're even going to pull the plastic off. Ooh. And we're going to lay out some templates for the cardboard mask for the carpet mask. Okay, so now the kick drums be like. Voila. Voila. Voila.